news from Tamil Nadu, where a committee that was constituted by the Tamil Nadu government has suggested measures to prevent caste-based discrimination in educational institutes. Now, in its report, it's also recommended a ban on any coloured ornaments that are caste markers, referring to wristbands that many people in Tamil Nadu wear. They're suggesting that we ban that in schools in Tamil Nadu. The report has been accessed by India Today. It suggests that students should be prohibited from wearing any coloured wristbands, any rings, any tilak or forehead marks which are indicator of which caste they belong to. Not just that, students, according to the committee, it's recommended that students must also refrain from coming to schools on bicycles painted with reference to their caste or exhibiting any caste-related sentiments. Now, this may sound surprising for many, but in Tamil Nadu, particularly in rural pockets, it's fairly common for people to show off their caste using colours by either wearing it or in their transport. Here's what the BJP's had to say about these recommendations.
It's high time that caste inside school, especially among the school children, should be curtailed. Yes, it is high time. And do the state government need to take an action? Yes, the state government needs to take an action, no doubt about that. But we are very concerned with respect to Justice Chandruji's recommendation that he has given. So many of the suggestions, recommendations that Justice Chandruji has given, it either reflects his ideological stand or by virtue of implementing that recommendation, the caste propagation inside the school will only go high, will not come down.
Let's bring in Shilpa Nair on this broadcast, who's joining us live from Chennai. Shilpa, quite a bit of debate that these report recommendations have kicked off, but is it something that the government is looking to actually implement on the ground? It's fairly common for people in Tamil Nadu, of course, to wear these wristbands and also in educational institutes to wear them and go as per their normal life. So is there a ban that could be implemented on ground?
Well, Akshita, so far the government has not really reacted to this particular report that was submitted to the Chief Minister by retired Justice Chandru. This was a one-man committee that the Tamil Nadu government had constituted to look into, the caste violence, the prevailing caste sentiments among students in schools and colleges. Remember, this committee was formed in the backdrop of a violent incident that took place in Tirunelveli's Nanguneri, where a brother and sister were manhandled, were assaulted by their own schoolmates over caste differences, and that had shocked the conscience of the state. And following this violence, the Chief Minister, of course, had announced the constitution of this particular committee headed by retired Justice Chandru. The committee has submitted its report, and a slew of recommendations have been made by the committee. And one, of course, is the fact that students must be prohibited from wearing threads or tilaks on their forehead, which are caste markers. Now, people who are in Tamil Nadu do very well know that, in certain districts, in certain localities, students do, come to schools with these caste markers. In fact, some of the bicycles that they come on are also painted the colors of the that are associated with the particular caste. So the Justice Chandru report has recommended that all these practices must be prohibited. Apart from that, he talks about how schools should drop caste names from their, from the official school name. And apart from that, saying that the caste of the school students must not be mentioned in the attendance register. There are several suggestions given in terms of the appointment of teachers, giving them orientation classes, ensure that they have a proper aptitude towards social justice and how to deal with issues relating to caste violence, caste discrimination, etc. And apart from that, the committee also talks about how there needs to be an inquiry body that should be set up to look into the alleged saffronization of education. So some of these recommendations, of course, have not gone down well with the Tamil Nadu BJP. Tamil Nadu BJP Chief K. Annamale objected to some of these recommendations given, saying that yes, we do agree that this is a serious problem. Caste in schools and educational institutions is a serious problem that needs to be tackled. But some of the recommendations, he says, given in this report are not practicable and not practical in terms of its implementation. And BJP leader H. Raja even went on to say that some of these recommendations are against the sentiments of the Hindu community. But so far, the government has not reacted on this particular report. The report has been submitted, but it is the call of the government whether or not to implement this report in its full capacity.
So Shilpa telling us right now that there's been no reaction from the government. We don't know yet if they'll accept the report in its entirety, if they will go ahead and take these steps of stopping wristbands, stopping rings, stopping any sort of indication of what caste a student belongs to.